Okay, these are the tools that I use most often. By the way, this drill bit I changed to 3/16 for the Costco brand door knobs and handles. So previously I said it was a different size, but 3/16 worked out very good, very snug fit. So you need the template that I got from IKEA, any of the Home Depot or Lowe's. Tape measure, drill with the bits, and pencil, and a scissor to cut open this. Okay, today we're gonna go ahead and concentrate on putting a door or the cabinet knobs on this area here. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-measure using this tool. This particular one is from IKEA, and then we're gonna mark these holes here for the handle, and then this one particular one we're gonna do the knobs, small knobs on these ones, and then also gonna move on to this side, and we're gonna go ahead and duplicate that. So for this particular knob, I have been installing around about like that. So I will use this guide to already made up points, especially this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this template to mark a hole on this door, and then drill a hole through that, and then go ahead and mount this. And also this one, I'm gonna find the center point of it, and then use this as to mark the center, and then I'm gonna try to figure out how many dots down that I'm gonna use as a standard. And in this case, I'm gonna use this second one from the top. So first thing I'm gonna do is mark the center of this drawer, and then use this template to correctly identify the marking. Okay, for this particular drawer, it is 11 inches wide, so half of that will be 5.5, which I marked it with the pencil so I can erase it later. And then, like we said, I'm gonna go get my tool here, or template, and then mark the 2 holes from the bottom, which will be here. That's what will be my drill point. So for this case, I wanted to get the drill bits about the same size as the screw body diameter, which turns out to be 9/16. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this into my drill, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drill right through the center of it. As you can see, I'm using a little box there to catch the shavings. So I'm just going to go in and then slowly, and making sure I open it up to make sure that I'm not touching the body of the cabinet. So the screws that comes with it, it's not really long, so the hole has to be above the cabinet body. Okay, that one's in. Let's take a look at the inside. Done. Gonna clean it up, and then go ahead and get rid of the pencil mark, and that should be set. Now I'm going to move on to this one. I already marked the holes using the template. I'm going to go ahead and drill that, and then install the handles, and then also repeat for bottom 2. Okay, I'm done with those 2 holes. The one thing that I like to share with you is, just in case this is like drill once and there's no mistake allowed. So before drilling, make sure the doors are correctly identified, and then make sure the hole distance are good. So I always like check it once, twice, and 3 times to make sure. I even open it up to make sure that you're not making any mistakes. Once you screw up, this will be pretty costly repair job. Okay, that's it. Just check, recheck, and make sure you check it again, because there is no mistake allowed. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this too, and move over to the other side and finish those. Okay, this will be the kitchen area that I worked on prior, and then one's on top of the refrigerator. And this will be the bottom drawers. Little study nook area. And then the bottom pull-out drawers.